Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to use the aggregate function in Excel. As you can see that I am typing few name, and what you will observe that the serial number will come automatically. That's not the magic. The magic is when we delete any row or when we hide any row in between, the serial numbers will get adjusted automatically. You can see there I have written few names and you can see the serial numbers have appeared automatically on the screen. Now let's delete one row and you can see that the serial number is automatically updated. How we do this? We do this with the help of a special function in Excel, that is aggregate. Let's type again a name and let's hide a row. Let's hide the row number 3, that is the serial number 2. You can see that automatically the serial number is updated. So let's see how can we do that. For that we have to use aggregate function, but there is a problem in that, and to solve that problem we will use if function. So let's go to there. Let's see the formula what we have written there. First of all we will write if, and then we will take the address of the cell where the names are written. Okay, what we are going to do there, we will write the address. The address is B2. If B2 is equal to empty, suppose the cell is empty, then let us keep it empty. Then after that, if it is not empty, then we will use aggregate function. Okay, so let's see that. Let's start again. First of all, I'm going to type here aggregate. When we type aggregate function, it asks you for the argument. We will select which one? We will select the second one, 2, that is count. We have to count the entries. After this we will put a comma. After putting comma, the next one is 5. The second option, the second argument is 5. The fifth one, we have to ignore the hidden rows. This option says ignore the hidden rows. Put comma again. The next one is array. Array means the address of the cell. So the first there will be a range. The range will be only 1. Means like if we are taking the cell B1, then it will be only B1. So here we are taking A1, so it will be $A1, means the first one, the starting range will be absolute and the ending range will be relative. So $A1, $A1 colon A1. After that, what we find here, we find here that it doesn't count the text. As you know that count function only counts the numerical value, not the text value. For that only we have added at the last +1. If the B2 is empty, then let us keep it empty, and if it is having a numerical value, then it will make a it will count it. So with the help of aggregate function we can do this. As you can see here that we are typing some name and you will find it as a serial number. Now again we will do what? We will delete it, 1 or 2, any row we will delete in, and we will see that the serial numbers are automatically gets adjusted. Like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest